Narinig nyo na sir yung version ni La Alice Go, paano sila nakalabas. Diba? I'm sure, kasi nasa news naman lahat eh. Okay.
Yes, Your Honor.
Just assume, let's just assume na totoo. Assume na totoo that they left by yacht, small boat to big boat, and then may role ba dapat ang PCG doon? Na-intercept nyo ba dapat yon?
In our existing memorandum circular on pre-departure inspection, vessels which are non-common carrier are not included in the PDI. And that is the reason why we are now revising the circular, Your Honor, so the Coast Guard will have role in the enforcement in this kind of vessels, Your Honor.
You are revising. So when you are revising, kailan maging effective yan, yung
We're
revision?
looking at October, Your Honor, we should be done.
And what is the revision?
To include non-common carriers in the
Okay.
implementation of pre-departure inspection, Your Honor.
And you have a legal basis to do that.
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay, so you don't need the law, di ba?
Yes, Your Honor.
Therefore, you could have done that even before.
It is.
Why do we need an Alice Go incident before we can anticipate such a scenario and then cover it?
The regulation was made in 2009, and I'm taking my role now to revise it, Your Honor.
There is no lack of legal basis, okay, for the Philippine Coast Guard to have acted. Okay, it's just that in their regulations siguro hindi nila na-anticipate. So may nakakita ng butas, and we are not, and I'm sure hindi lang sila ang gumamit ng butas na yan. So ganun pala ka-porous at talaga ang ating boundaries, ang ating mga borders, ang ating coasts.